1 in 7 pending home sales were being canceled nationally, which was the highest share for that time of the year on record. Today, we're diving into the latest real estate market updates for February 2025, taking a look at the national trends and then zooming in on what's happening right here in the Phoenix metro area. So let's get started. First, let's look at the national picture. Several key indicators give us a good sense of where the market stood in February. According to the National Association of Realtors, also known as the NAR, the national existing home sales fell by 4.9% month over month in February, reaching a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.08 million units. However, it's important to note that sales were still up by 2% compared to February of last year, making the fourth consecutive monthly year-over-year increase. Now, according to Redfin, from early March, reflecting activity in February, shows that pending sales were down 6.4% year-over-year nationally. Now, this suggests that fewer contracts were being signed compared to the previous year. The median national existing home price in January 25 was $396,900, which is a 4.8 increase from January of 24. Now, Redfin data for the 4 weeks ending March 2nd of 2025 shows the median price or the sales price was $379,350, which is a 3.2% year-over-year increase. So this indicates continued but potentially slowing price appreciation. Now, mortgage rates, they saw some fluctuation in February. You have optimal blue data as of February 26 showed the 30-year conforming rate at 6.644%. Now, this aligns with the general sentiment that rates have recently begun to decline after a slight increase at the beginning of February. Now, Bankrate is saying that as of February 28th, it indicated an average 30-year fixed rate of 6.80%, down from 6.95% from the previous month. Now, the NAR, they reported that the inventory of unsold existing homes, it grew by 3.5% in January of 25 compared to December of 24 and was up 16.8 from January 24. Now, this trend of increasing inventory likely continued into February as InfoSparks reports that indicates 43.6% increase year over year in single-family homes for sale. And get this, a 59.9% increase for townhomes or condos in the month of February. Now let's turn our attention to the local Phoenix real estate market. According to Redfin, 1 in 7 pending home sales were being canceled nationally, which was the highest share for that time of the year on record. So the number of properties in the Phoenix metro area that have gone back on market saw a pretty sharp increase throughout January and remained elevated in February compared to earlier months. Now, this suggests that Phoenix also experienced a higher number of canceled contracts. But good news for Phoenix buyers, active listings continue to climb, reaching around 23,000. Now, this increasing inventory gives buyers more options to choose from, right? They can have better negotiations and potential price stabilization. Now, of course, the cons would be increased competition, potential market saturation, which is what we're seeing now, and longer decision-making. Phoenix also saw a surge in new properties hitting the market. February 25 had around 9,500 new listings, significantly higher than the 8,430 new listings in February of 24. This contributes to the growing inventory. While active and new listings increased, the number of listings under contract in Phoenix was still going up, indicating that buyer demand was still present. especially with recent dips in mortgage rates. However, the contract ratio was weaker in February of 25 compared to the previous year, which is suggesting a cooling in the intensity of the buyer competition. Looking at the longer 2-year trend up to February of 2025, most cities in the Phoenix metro area actually saw a positive price appreciation in terms of dollar per square foot, while luxury areas like Paradise Valley saw the highest increases. Now listen to this. Phoenix itself experienced a 12.6% appreciation over the past 2 years, which is still amazing, right? People think that home values are going down, but according to data, it's still going up. So what can we gather by comparing the national and Phoenix markets in February of 25? Nationally, existing home sales saw a monthly decline, but a yearly increase. In Phoenix, while pending sales data isn't directly comparable, the higher number of canceled contracts and a weaker contract ratio, it suggests a potential slowdown in the pace of deals compared to the previous year. Now, both national and Phoenix markets, they saw a significant increase in the inventory of homes for sale. Now, this provides more choices for buyers in both areas. Nationally, home price appreciation continued, but there were indications of it potentially slowing. Now, Phoenix also experienced overall price appreciation over the longer term. Mortgage rates nationally saw a slight decrease toward the end of February, and this positive movement, of course, it likely had a similar effect on Phoenix in the Phoenix market, potentially encouraging some new buyers or buyers to actually get out there and start looking, right? Now, overall, February of 2025, it appears to be a month of transition in both the national and Phoenix real estate markets. Increased inventory is giving buyers more leverage, while fluctuating but generally still elevated mortgage rates are influencing affordability and buyer activity. So the Phoenix market, while showing signs of cooling with more cancellations and weaker contract ratios, it still experienced positive price trends over the longer term. There you have it, your February 2025 real estate market update. Now let me know in the comments below what you're seeing in your local market. I'm interested. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more real estate insights. It would definitely help out the channel a lot and help me out as well. And if you'd like to receive my monthly newsletter, there's a link in the description for you to request getting on my list. And if you're looking to sell or buy a home in the Phoenix metro area or anywhere in the nation, I can help. I have a network of vetted and trusted agents that I work with. So click on the link in the description below and set up a one-on-one phone call or Zoom call with me. I would be more than happy to chat with you. I'm Joey Sampaga with the Living Right-Sized Real Estate Team. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you have a good one. God bless. Bye.